I am a Bollywood dancer. No, we're not doing that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My name is Jacqueline Dodden. I go by Jackie. I'm 16, turning 17.
I'm Sabrina Picarillo-Stasser. I'm 17 years old.
I'm Indian.
And I am Brazilian, Italian, American, and Irish. Well, I have a really, really distinct memory. So we met in 3rd grade, and the first day of school, I walk into class, and she's like, "Hi, I'm Jackie. Can you be my friend?" Today I am making pão de queijo, which is a Brazilian snack or a breakfast. This dish is probably one of the most popular ones I have in my house. My dad usually makes it all the time on weekends.
So I'm making shrimp masala, and basically it's something it's a really common dish in India. My grandma actually makes it really often. So it's been passed on to my mom and finally down to me. Growing up, I've always felt like, okay, in America, I'm Indian. But when I'm in India, I'm American. So like, what am I actually? Like, I've always had that like identity crisis. Like,
yeah, I got my Brazilian citizenship a few years ago. So that's like, sort of cool. I travel with my Brazilian passport.
Most of our friends are American, so their parents were born here. And in terms of like going out with friends and staying out at night, like that's not an issue. But last night we hung out and Sabrina and I were like, oh no, it's 10 o'clock. Like we have to get back home. Like we're late. Like, and yeah, our parents have always like said like, oh come on, like you don't have to hang out with your friends all the time. Like your family is what's gonna be there forever. I mean, I figured out recently, I have to have interaction with people. Like, I'm not sitting in a cubicle, it's not happening. Like, but yeah, and I really like biology and like medicine and all those type of things, right? This is my plan. So, I'm gonna go to school for nursing, like regular nursing, my 4 years. And then hopefully I'll get a job in the city. And then I'm gonna make the hospital pay for me to go back to school.
I really have no clue what I want to do after college.
I don't know, I like to have like structure. Like I don't like to just be like, oh yeah, I'll figure it out. Like, no I won't, because I'll never figure it out.
That's different for me. Like right now I have no clue what I want to do, and I'm fine with that. Like eventually I will, like that has to happen somewhere, like in college. I'm excited, but more nervous than excited because I love high school. Once like college hits, I know that's when I gotta like grow up, gotta be.
Like I can't go to college and be like, hi, I'm Jackie, do you want to be my friend? Oh, I already tried the cheese balls, they're delicious.
Jackie's a great cook.
Oh,
that's what I learned.
Sabrina makes killer Brazilian cheese balls.
Just keeping like yourself, though everything, don't change who you are.
This is so sentimental, wow. Obviously, you're gonna figure out what you want to do with your life.
Hopefully.
You will.
Cheers. Cheers.